Are you looking for someone and that someone is you? Have you been maybe searching for a while now and you just hit a brick wall with your search and you took a DNA test and surprise, surprise, the results just left you more confused than when you started because you're staring at a list of mystery matches, people that you have no idea how you're related. Well, I'm here to help. My name's Jenna Jaquila. I run mysterymatchdna.com, and I'm a genetic genealogist. And what I do is I take your DNA test results and I help you piece together where they fit. Now, most genealogists they work from the bottom up, right? You take like who you know in your family and you piece it going up to try to find out more about other like ancestors, people that you're related to, what their stories are. What I do is a little bit different because I focus mostly on finding out, working from kind of the top down. So taking your DNA test results and looking at your matches in your match list and determining from there like where you fit. Um, and so if you're curious and this sounds good to you, look at my other videos. Check out, my website, mysterymatchdna.com, and see how it works. And I'd also like to invite you to get a chance to win a free Ancestry DNA test kit. So if you're interested in taking a test, and you kind of know already, maybe you're an adoptee, maybe you're donor conceived, maybe you're a foundling. There's any number of reasons why you already kind of know that your DNA test results are going to be a mystery. Um, I invite you to comment below. Let me know who you're looking for and put hashtag mystery match free in your comment. And that will enter you for a chance to win a free Ancestry DNA kit on me, totally free. So you can help get the answers that you're looking for. And if you're already interested in searching and booking a consult and getting help in determining, where you came from, and you already know that you want that direction, we can work together and I'll just throw in the DNA kit. That's not a problem. So comment below, let me know who you're looking for and how I can help. And look around my channel and check out my site, mysterymatchdna.com. Because at the end of the day, you deserve to know where you came from, and I can help you find the answers.